Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your autoresponder form to work with the traffic formula, Easy Traffic Formula website. On the left hand side here you'll click on Edit My Details, and if you scroll down you'll see this box here. It'll say autoresponder code. In here is where you'll paste your autoresponder code when you have it, so that your form displays on the front of Easy Traffic Formula so you can collect your leads. Okay, so for this example we're going to use Aweber. I'm going to assume that if you already have an Aweber account you know how to go through and create a list and everything. So we're going to go over to setting up the form. So first I want to share with you list settings. Go to list options, list settings, and set up all the basic information, you know, your list name, your from address, and everything. Okay, and then we'll go to confirmed opt-in, and this confirmed opt-in is something you can either turn on or off. Usually I leave it off. All it's going to do is send out an email. When your lead subscribes to your list, they're going to get this email saying please confirm your email, and they'll have to click this link. Now you can turn this on if you'd like, or you can turn it off. It's completely up to you. Like I said, usually I leave it off. Okay, and what you'll want to do is you'll want to grab this link right here, easytrafficformula.com, sign up. We'll right click and we'll copy. And down here at the success page, you'll clear this out if you have any URLs in there, and right click and we'll paste that in there. This is the page that people will be taken to after they confirm their email if you have this option set on. So hit Save Settings, and that part's taken care of. Okay, so the confirmed opt-in part is taken care of. Again, this is optional. Next, we're going to go to Sign Up Forms, and this is where you're going to create the form that will show on the front of Easy Traffic Formula when you promote your URL to build your list. Okay, so we'll go over here and we'll create a sign-up form. Okay, and for this example we're just going to take a very basic one. We'll just use the copper one here, load template, and you can see it pretty much does everything for us already. I'm going to close out the header and some of this other stuff. I like to keep the form as basic as possible. You can collect a name and email if you want. Usually I'll just collect an email because really that's all we're after is the email. Now you can adjust the size of this, big or small, it doesn't matter. If you want it to really get it detailed, you can mess with the fonts and everything to increase the inputs or the labels. Usually I like to make the email part stand out, so I'll use like a different color or something. So I think that looks good for this example. You can also change the button that says submit to like so you can change it to, I guess it's an image. So if we get rid of the image, there we go. Click on it. Now we can change it to say like join now. Don't have to do this. This is just something that you can do if you want. Just so when they see join now, they know they'll join Easy Traffic Formula. Okay, so we'll save our web form and we'll continue to step 2. Now step 2 is just going to ask us to name the form. You can name this anything. You can put like Easy Traffic Formula web form or something. Now down here it's going to ask you for the thank you page. What you'll do is click on this and you'll hit custom page, and it's going to say enter URL. So this is again where we're going to go back and grab this URL. So just highlight it, we'll right click and copy. Okay, and we'll backspace all this out, right click and paste, and we have our sign up URL. If you don't add this sign up URL into the thank you page or redirect page, the sign-up process will not work. You won't earn any commissions or get any referrals, and you won't be able to use the system as it's meant to be used. Already subscribed page, you can just leave this a basic version. That's fine. And we'll hit save your form. And we'll go to step 3 now. and you'll hit I will install my web form. Now there's going to be two different things here. The JavaScript one is just smaller, it's easier to use, so you'll just click in here, right click, copy, and now this is the box where we'll enter in our autoresponder code. So right click, paste. Now if you want to preview your autoresponder, I recommend you do. Just hit the preview autoresponder button, and there you have it. You can see our autoresponders right here. You can fill it out, test it out if you'd like. And once you're done, make sure you hit this update button. So we'll hit update, and it says profile successfully updated. So if we go back to edit my details, scroll down, you'll see now your web form is in here. So every time that you market your Easy Traffic Formula website, your form will now display after you've referred your first 4 referrals to your sponsor. So this will be a good way to build your list. Alright, so that's setting up your autoresponder form in Aweber.